In this video I will show you how to fix files upload error on Google Drive. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Let's go ahead and open Google Drive. So whenever you upload something in Google Drive, it will say waiting for Wi-Fi. The upload will not continue not unless you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. But there's a way to upload files to Google Drive regardless of your network connection. To do it, tap on this option button. Then go to Settings. Scroll down to bottom. Under Data Usage, you see in here the option to transfer files only over Wi-Fi. Turn off this toggle. Please note that transferring files over mobile data may incur additional charges. Click OK. Now go to your Control Center and click Resumed. And that's it, how to fix upload files issue on Google Drive. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.